As we're 3 weeks away from Texas reopening, there was fear that we might see the COVID numbers spike by now. Fox 44's Cameron Stewart, he's live in the studio tonight after talking to health officials about why that spike hasn't really happened in McLennan County yet.
Adam, you said it. After 2 weeks or so, coronavirus symptoms start showing up, so it wouldn't have been surprising to see higher COVID numbers in McLennan County by now. But with the due diligence and people following the rules, that hasn't been the case.
The virus is still here.
Kelly Crane and those at the Waco McLennan County Public Health District have had their hands full with the state reopening, but without the dire results some expected. Even with people leaving the house now, the virus is not hitting McLennan County very hard.
Our curve that everyone talks about flattening, in McLennan County we've been very fortunate that our curve never really got a real curve. So we have maintained a certain level of, anywhere from 2 to 3 cases per day, going a period with no cases. So we've maintained flat.
According to their daily charts showing the spread of the virus, the number of recoveries goes right in line with the number of diagnoses. Even with 6 new cases being announced this afternoon, the number of active cases has stayed low.
One day doesn't mean a spike. You have to look at it overall. When you see that daily case count, and again, it'll be like this, you see that daily case count going up and up and up, then we're really seeing a spike.
Crane says the most important part of their tracking right now is contact tracing. After someone is diagnosed with having the virus, the public health district tracks down all the people the patient would be in close contact with. Right now, the county is monitoring 116 of those cases.
That's the number that's really interesting that people don't understand, is that group is not sick, but we're making sure that they will not potentially become sick and spread it and not know that they're spreading the COVID virus.
Even with the satisfying numbers, the county knows they aren't out of the woods just yet.
Summer is not over. COVID is still here. I don't want to take a victory lap on what we're doing now, because this virus is still here. So there's still a risk that it can spread to large parts of your community.
The county is still reporting no cases in their long-term care facilities, and all 6 confirmed new cases today are people under the age of 40. Coming up at 9:30, see who the county said has been most important to the flattening of the curve. Live in the studio, I'm Cameron Stewart, Fox 44 News.